Hey there, thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. My name is Rob, and this is Peanut. And if this is your first time here, welcome. It's nice to meet you. If you're returning, then welcome back. There is one person you need to talk to if you want to have success with YouTube. That means growing your channel, getting lots of subscribers, getting lots of views, making lots of money. That's generally how people define success with YouTube. One person you need to talk to. And to get into this, I want to introduce you to Old Mike. Old Mike is a friend of mine from Southern California. He has his own YouTube channel. He just started it this past summer, I believe, so several months ago. And he's grown it to almost 19,000 subscribers in a few short months. And what's more is Old Mike is not young. He's over 80 years old. Okay? And he's got a fantastic channel, and he's a great guy. I love talking with him. So you should check him out. You should check out his videos. But he's not the one I'm talking about that you need to talk to be successful on YouTube. There's something that Mike said I was watching one of his videos this morning, and there's something that he said in that video that really resonated with me. He was talking about things like being authentic on camera, and how the more real you can be, for example, like leaving mistakes in, just talking to the camera as naturally as you can. The more you can do those sorts of things, the better, the more success you will have, the better you'll come across, the more people will want to stick around and watch your videos. So he talked about emotional connection. Developing an emotional connection with your audience and how important that is. And I agree with everything he said. But there's one thing that he mentioned in the video that especially resonated with me. It's something he said that we should not do, that I have been doing in virtually all of my videos up until this point. And I'm going to try to stop doing that and doing it a better way, starting with this video. And that is, if you watch virtually any YouTube video, there's always a greeting in the beginning. This type of video, when it's a talking head type video and someone's talking to the camera, they will introduce themselves. They'll greet you when the video starts. Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Thanks for coming back. Whatever it is, those are some examples. I say hey guys a lot. And I've said it, I think, virtually all of my videos. That's how I start off. And that's what Mike says you shouldn't do. Instead of saying, hey guys, because hey guys implies that I'm addressing a whole bunch of people, okay? And, if I'm lucky, I am, in fact, getting a whole bunch of people to watch my videos. That's kind of the point. But when making videos, instead of addressing the camera like it is already a whole bunch of people, I should address the camera like it's one person, okay? Like, in other words, a good way to think about it is if one of your friends, I often say, I talk to the camera like it's a friend of mine or friends of mine. That's one of the things that makes me feel more comfortable when I'm talking to the camera. But to kind of take it a step further, a better thing to do is picture one person, probably a friend or a relative or somebody that you're comfortable with. This one person walks into the room, sits down across from you, and what do you say? That's the way you should think about it, because then you could say things like, hey, how you doing? Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. That might not apply, but you know what I mean? There's a difference between hey guys and hi there. And I think that's profound. I think it's powerful, and I think it goes a long way to help foster that connection between an audience member, singular, and the creator, me talking to the camera. Yes, I do hopefully hope to have a whole bunch of people watching my videos, but if I can just address the camera as if it's just me and you, we're just having a chat, you there on the other side of the camera and me, then perhaps you may want to stick around a little bit longer. I'm addressing you directly. Instead of talking to a crowd where sometimes I'm looking here and sometimes I'm looking there and never really looking at any one person, people can tend to tune out easier if that's the case. But if I could just talk to the camera like this, and you know that I'm talking to you, then perhaps that'll help. So I love that, and I got that from Mike. Again, I'll leave a link to the video I'm talking about below, and you should check out that, and check out Mike's channel. It's fantastic. He's a great guy. But back to the one person you really need to talk to, and I mentioned that it wasn't old Mike. Let's just turn that sentence around a little bit. The title of this video is One Person You Need to Talk to. Let's move that one person from the beginning of that sentence or that title to the end. You need to talk to one person. And that's all I mean. So there's nobody specific. Just think of somebody, one person, talk to that one person by looking at the camera, and see if that works. I think that's a fantastic idea. I'm going to use this from now on. I'm going to try to. You guys can call me out if I don't, if I forget. But I tried to do that at the beginning of this video, and I believe I was successful in it. And yeah, that's my message for today. Again, a shout out to old Mike from Old Me Living Better is the name of his channel. And thank you for that, Mike. And thank you for joining me today and watching this video. I hope this helps you in some way. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments, and I will happily answer. And with that said, I hope to see you in another video. Thank you, guys. Whoops. Thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.